To be a man, oh. To be a man, I did rock one of felle. Cha cha. To be a man, oh. To be a man, oh. To be a man, I did rock one of felle. Cha cha. Anna Bumbo. I did go where if Anna Pachi,
Stop greeting me. Stop greeting me, Amoma. If you are greeting me because of this food you say that I'm carrying, swallow your spit. Do you understand? I don't need your greeting because this food will not enter your mouth.
Kanu, what has come over you? How can your niece greet you and you scold her that way? What is it, eh?
Rita, take your time. Take your time. Because if you don't take time, you and your daughter will leave this house for me one day.
Lie. Because it will never happen.
Uncle, see, let me tell you. If you are angry because you don't want to give us food, it will not work. If you want beg, we will beg you. If you want fight, we will fight you. What kind of rubbish is this?
What did you do? You fight me?
Yes, now.
Did you talk to me?
How can you be eating and a child like me is there hungry?
Oh.
Your own sister's child.
You are a child. Amoma, you are a child. So you call yourself a child. Amoma. Alright. If you're a child, come and suck breast. Oh, rather, look at your mother. Go to your mother, cut one breast, go inside, balance and eat it. If you cannot milk it, eat it. Nonsense.
Mama, you're not saying anything. I will react though. Better drop this food now.
What do you say? Amoma, you say you will react? Alright. Isakaba, go ahead. Isakaba, or vigilante, go ahead and react. Let me see. There's no meat in this food. I'll cut your head and use it as do meat. Try it. Nonsense.
No.
Let me get water. You are the one that taught her to insult me. But very soon, it will end in this house. You will see.
Leave which house?
Mama, come and join you.
Mama, leave his food alone, please. I don't want trouble in this house.
What am I seeing? You touch my food. Your daughter went to my food.
Leave my daughter.
Well,
Mama, you will fall sick. Come, let's go and sleep. It's late.
I'm not going to sleep until she comes back.
At least, if you're not going to sleep, go and freshen up. Since you came back, you've not done anything.
I will not. That girl has vowed to drag the name of this family to the mud. But I will not allow her. Mba.
Mama, you're sitting down here waiting for somebody that is busy, receiving blows from Odile. She doesn't want to have sense. You want to stay here. See the time. See, nobody is outside. Me, I'm tired. I need to go and sleep. You want to keep waiting for her.
Is this love or madness? Or love, Kahara?
Can you open this door? Can open this door?
Uncle, open this door now.
What have we done to you that made you to hate us this much? Can you open this door? Open this door, Kanu.
Mama, do something. You don't want to react, I will react for it. Don't worry. Uncle, open this door now. Open this door.
Amuma.
Mama.
Did I ask you to go to his food? Did I?
But he's not my uncle. Why will he lock us outside like this?
Amuma.
Where is hammer? Mama, where can I get hammer? Where is hammer?
Amuma, leave that.
Now open this door now. Mama, leave me.
Leave me. You open the door.
No, Mama, wait. How can he close the door? Mama, I'm not going.
Amuma, I'm warning you.
Mama, you don't want to fight this man, no. I will pull off his eyes one day. Don't worry. I will help you fight him. When you don't want to fight him. What kind of rubbish is that? I will tell him that I'm small but mighty. Open this door. Uncle. Mama, I will kill him. I will kill him. Where's Hammer? This one is too much. Open this door, Uncle. Open this door, Uncle. Hey! Don't let me to count 10, no. If I count 10, I will deal with you in this house. 1. Open this door now. Open this. 2. I will kill you. Mama, I will kill this man. How will I kill him? Mama, I will kill him. Open this door. Open this door, Uncle. Uncle. You don't want to open this door, Ba? You don't want to open it. You don't want to open it. Mama, come and help me.
Wow. But you never told me you would have known yourselves. You never told me you knew someone like you. Really?
Well, it's not like we are dating or we are seeing each other like that.
Okay.
I mean, I hardly see him or talk to him over the phone. Just that I ran into him recently.
Okay.
We had a nice time. One thing led to another, you know now.
I know that feeling. I know. I just want to ask you for a favor.
Okay.
I want you to love my son. Make him feel so much loved.
Okay, but why? Why do you want me to do that?
Lisa, you will not understand. Do whatever you can to make my son happy. You're beautiful. You're educated. You're classy. I know he will love you. Just help me bring my son back to life.
Sorry, I'm sorry, but
is there a problem? Because not at all. No, there's no problem at all. You know, a young man, growing up and all that, is feeling very insecure, very, very emotionally unstable. Let me not bother you. I don't want to weigh you down. Just be good. Be yourself. Let's see how it goes. Okay?
if you say so.
I say so.
Alright, let me join him upstairs. It's time to sleep. Good night, ma.
Good night.
To be a man, oh, to be a man, oh, to be a man, I did rock one of felle, cha cha. To be a man, oh, to be a man, oh, to be a man, I did rock one of felle, cha cha. Anna Mambo.
Will you come? Will you come down from my keke? Will you come? What's the meaning of this nonsense? Will you come down from my keke? Come down, you silly bugger. What's the meaning of this? Who told you that my keke is one room and parlor? If you want to sleep here, you pay me for rent. Don't try it next time. You silly.
So you want to injure I and my daughter, eh? You even have the conscience, the mind to lock us outside. You're very wicked. You're a wicked person, Kanu.
Brother, wickedness does not pay. Repent, oh, God is coming.
Who is talking? Who is talking? Are you the one? Oh, who is deceiving you? She told you your father is a pastor. He's a liar. Oh, come on, the man that impregnated her. A drunkard. Don't let her deceive you. Your father is not a pastor. Your heaven is real. You repent. Look at you. Next time I will see both of you in this keke. Inside this keke. About 1 foot. 1 foot, 1 mile. Eh? What I will do to you, then this is your daughter. I will crush her.
Eh?
Try it.
Crush who? Kanu, try it. Just try it. Then you know the stuff I'm made of. That is if you even live to tell the story. Nonsense.
I see. So this is it. No wonder. Because someone will do more, I'm suspecting you. I say, this is my sister. On our go. Eh? Does she have evil plans? Now you have showed me that you want to kill me. So you want to kill me? Eh? No wonder. No wonder you are behaving like a woman that goes to native doctor. See, let me tell you, you cannot do me anything. You cannot do me anything. I will live more than Methuselah. So your plan is to kill me so that you come and take over my father's property. The property my father left for me. That's what you want to take. It will not work for you. Go and tell your girl father that your plans will not work. I see. As for you, so you and your daughter can do me nothing.
Now wait, let me throw sand here.
Sand where? On my keke? You silly bugger. Look at you. You silly.
Wicked.
See, one of you will leave this house very soon. You will leave this house very soon. Nonsense. Eh? Evil spirit, sometimes if I want to sleep here, people will not allow me. Now, some people are sleeping inside keke. You know, blanket. Any evil spirit, if I see people here again, since you cannot act. If I see people here again, you see what I will do to you. Nonsense. You can't even harm this little rat and her mother. Every night, if I'm sleeping here, evil spirit will romancing me.
What is this?
Cheta.
Why are you flogging yourself too hard? Is this really worth it?
I slept off. I didn't even know it's morning. Let me sweep.
Stakwan, please go home.
No, it's okay.
Go home. What is meant for you will eventually come back to you.
Let me sweep. Let me sweep the compound. Just look at my husband's compound. Look at how dirty it is. Give me broom. It's okay.
Go home.
Cheta, please, let's talk about this later, eh? Give me broom so I can... Please, make this place look neat. See dirt everywhere. It's not supposed to be like that, eh? Give me broom now. Where's broom? See, everywhere is dirty. I need to sweep now. I need to sweep. Everywhere looks... Wash the plates, cook for my husband. Please, hey, baby. Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Did you sleep here?
It's okay, I slept here.
You slept here?
I did. No, but it's fine. It's okay.
Haven't I told you, leave me alone now? Leave me alone now. What's this now? Leave me alone. Just go to your house.
I just woke up and I saw that the compound is dirty. I want to sweep.
Akwanwa, go to your house.
At least when I finish sweeping, I'll wash your clothes, cook food for you. At least.
Leave my house.
Tilly, you need to eat my food this morning now. Eh? What will you have for breakfast?
Leave my house, too.
Oh, Dile, I cannot leave your house like this. Look at the compound is dirty. How can I say that my husband's compound is as dirty as this? I will go. It's not right now. I was not trained like that.
I'll embarrass you.
Oh, Dile, you don't have to.
Leave my house, too.
I plan on sweeping the compound, washing your clothes, and cooking for you.
Sweep yourself out of my house.
Oh, Dile.
Sweep yourself out of my house.
Please, you eat my food this morning now. How can I wake up in the morning? I see that my husband's compound is dirty. And I'll just walk away like that. It doesn't make sense now. If I now go...
Leave my house. Leave my house.
Brother!
Leave my house.
Brother,
Leave my life. Leave my house. Leave my life.
Brother!
Leave my house. Leave my life. I don't want again. I am not doing anything with you.
It's fine, just get me the broom. Let me sweep.
No, don't sweep. Go home. Please,
It's
go home.
Okay, let me sweep my husband's compound at least.
You still want to sweep?
I will sweep for you.
Come on, please. Please, just
still
go
want to
home.
sweep?
I will sweep.
You still want to sweep?
Baby, don't worry.
Please not. You still want to sweep?
Baby, pour me water.
Stakwan, he's going to kill you this time around. Please
Pour me
go
water.
home.
But I don't mind.
Hey!
You want to sweep?
Come home.
You want to sweep?
Roger!
You want to sweep? You want to sweep what?
Brother, leave me alone.
What? you telling me this now, Jerry?
There's something. Please. You see, there is something I never wanted to disclose to anyone out there that is not a member of my family. But I said to myself, it would be very, very unfair not to let you know, since we're about starting a serious relationship. Yes. So, I said to myself, I should let you know about this.
Yo, really what? You and we starting a relationship? Look, Jerry, look at me very well. I'm pretty, young, educated and focused. I have lots of prospects out there. You want me... See, I'm not in for this pathetic kind of relationship. I can't do this. I'm going inside there. I'll get my bag and I'll leave this place at once.
Please, please.
Help Maka.
Please don't do this to me.
Jane, be gone now. Jane, I'm sorry now.
How can you see me and you want to walk past me? It's not good.
I don't want to talk to you. Abi, is there a new law in this village that says if anybody sees Akwanwa, talk to her?
Jane, but I'm sorry. I'm sorry about yesterday. I'm sorry.
I've heard you. Can I go?
I know when you're angry with me. You're my best friend now. I know you. And what can I do to make you forgive me? I'm sorry now. Please, please.
Akwanwa, start by getting your sense of pride back. Get it back because it has gone. You have effortlessly rubbed mud on the faces of your family members and me, your friend. Akwanwa, is it fair? Look at you. A beautiful, hardworking, intelligent girl like you. Subjecting yourself to ridicule. By that arrogant, proud, useless man they call Odele.
Don't call him that now. It's not fair. You're a woman like me. You know when a woman is in love. You know how it is. And Odele is doing all this because he does not have money. When money comes, everything will change. Yes.
You think so?
Not that I think so. I know so. I know Odele.
Hey, my friend. You know, they say the most worthless thing for anyone to do is to advise somebody in love. Not just any kind of love, but this your type. This foolish love. So, I will wish you good luck. Anything you want to do, do.
What do you mean anything?
Yes, because anything I say now will be useless. There is no advice I can give to you that you collect now. You are blind.
I'm not
It has
blind.
covered your eyes.
No.
He will be... Good luck.
Who is going to be my chief bridesmaid?
It's not me and you. See Aqua.
Are you not my best friend?
Don't go and bring your sense back.
So are you saying you're not going to attend my wedding? And Jane?
Is your dead body one that
brother, I have to tell you the truth. You don't value what you have, oh. That guy has done nothing but love you. And all you gave her in return is insults, abuse, hatred. But are you this wicked? Are you this heartless?
Cheta, what did you just say? No, what did you just say? I want you to repeat that thing you said. You understand me? No. Help me and your very self repeat that thing you said, especially the last part. What did you just say now?
All I'm saying is...
No, continue saying it. Now I want to hear it. Say it again. Say it. No, all you're saying is what?
I don't say anything.
Did you not say anything? Listen, I can see, I can see you've become a household problem to my life. Yes.
Hey.
Yes. Oh yes. You understand me? what made me fail in the city was a witch. Her name was Remy. Yes, I came back to this village, avoiding every single witch, but I can see you're the only surviving witch in my life. Hey. I want to be my sister, yeah?
What me?
You!
What wrong did I say? What did I say wrong that made you to slap me now? What did I say?
What is this? You understand me? You are a problem to my life. Akwanwa is a problem to my life. So I'll treat both of you as two different problems. You understand me? Akwanwa, I will treat as a disturbance problem, and you, I'll treat as a witch problem. Same thing. For what? Are you stupid? Open this door! Open this door, my friend! I said open this door now! Open this door! Open it! Listen, you better remain in there. You understand me? Remain in there. Because if I get into that house, anywhere that I could go will be your portion. I'm saying it again. Remain in this place, so remain there, yes. Because if I enter there, anywhere that I could go will be your portion. No problem. Since I see that it's now Akwanwa FC you play for, I'm not here. Relegation team. Foolish thing. No, remain there, remain there. Okay. Woman Bita is polishing shoe. Waiting for you.
Nanu, we are not going anywhere.
Alright.
We are not leaving this house. This house belongs to us as much as it does to you.
Alright. Don't worry.
You're asking us out. For what now?
Don't worry. You see you, Get married. Get married. Get married. You will not listen. Get married.
So if I refuse to marry, you push me out, Akwaya?
You don't know what I will do.
Okay.
You cannot tell what I will do.
Okay.
You see, you and your daughter, your days in this house is already numbered. I go give you 30 days.
All your days is numbered. Your days in this house is numbered, Kanu, not us. Keyo.
Wait.
You're leaving already?
Yes, I'm leaving.
What happened? Can we please talk about it? You were happy yesterday. What happened today?
There is nothing to talk about. Ma, your son and I cannot walk. Never.
Can we please talk about it woman to woman? You're not talking to my son. You're talking to me directly. I'm the one begging you.
Please, I'm sorry. There's nothing. In fact, I don't want to be here.
Because you want to inherit this property.
Hey, Rita. Good morning, Rita, I'm greeting you.
Hey! Hold your greetings, please. Don't greet me again, no.
What's the meaning of this one?
Don't worry. Come and sit down. Welcome. Oh, I know you now. You're looking for my uncle. Come and sit down.
Mom, I don't understand all this attitude this morning.
You are welcome. Welcome, my young lady.
Why did you do this now? What did I do to you people?
Do what? Leave my brother alone. You will not hear. Stay here. He will come and meet you.
Leave my uncle alone. You are the reason he abandoned us here. Leave him alone for us. One day I'll pour you water. Don't worry.
Kanu! Don't worry. Don't stress yourself. He will come out. You have his remote. Oh, he's here.
Kanu, what is the meaning of this now?
Baby, you're here.
Who is your baby? Why will your sister and her daughter embarrass me this morning like this?
What?
What is it now? She threw me on the floor, brought out the seat for me and I fell down.
She threw you on the floor?
Yes!
In my own house?
See my wig, my expensive wig. Look at.
You!
Mama, me, I cannot stay for all this fight. I cannot stay here for embarrassment like this. What is the meaning of this?
Leave my daughter.
I'll kill you.
You're trying me, oh.
Leave my daughter.
You're trying.
I'll kill my daughter.
Let me. Carlo! Stop following me, oh.
Please, you have seen, I've gone far. I've gone far. Begging you. You know my sister and her daughter. That little rat. They are witches. But personally, I will deal with them. By the time I get home now, I will squeeze them.
Me, I don't care. See how she insulted me, called me useless, called me everything just because I'm answering your girlfriend.
Sorry. You see, my sister, she is the one that is useless. You know my sister is the single mother. Eh? My sister and her daughter, they are useless. They are witches. I told her then, when she was opening her legs, very wide for Gorochawa for I told her, I warned her, but she will not listen. Now look at it now. Please forgive her. As for them, I will deal with them. Please.
But I cannot forgive you like that though. I cannot forgive you like that. The insult was too much. See my body now. You have to pay for it.
I will clean it when we enter there.
You pay for it. I can't forgive you like that.
Please. You know, I will do anything you want me to do. Eh? Anything. You know they said, oh my ego are for you. Oh my ego are for you. You know that song.
Stop singing. Stop singing. Your voice is terrible.
Sorry, I will mend my voice. Please. Don't worry. Anything you want me to do, I'll do it. Just talk it.
Shawarma.
Shawarma.
And ice cream.
That one is very simple now. I will buy it. Once I go back and I go and carry my keke, go to Junction and buy it for you. Eh?
Double sausage.
Which one is sausage? Is it that thing that is like a...
That is the double sausage now.
Like this. You know what I'm talking about? No, but I will tell them to put 2 or even 4 for you. Let me just see you off.
This should not happen again. No.
It won't happen. They are leaving my house. You see those people? They are packing. By now they are packing.
Not because I'm answering your girlfriend. I'll be.
Oh, you're answering my... You are not answering. You are my girlfriend. Not just answering.
Why don't you just talk to me? What is it? What happened? Jerry? What happened?
What do you want us to talk about? You tell me. What do you really want to talk about? This is the same reason I decided to isolate myself. Isolate my life. Isolated myself from everyone. I just want to be myself. Please. Just let me be.
No.
Let me be.
You cannot give up at this point. That healing you want is within you. It has to start from within you. They say our miracle is on the way. You cannot give up at the point where your miracle is coming. Okay? Just take it easy, okay? Everything will be alright.
No, you're still repeating the same thing. You want me to keep doing the same thing I have been doing that is not working? Is that what you're telling me to keep doing? Mom, come on. I'm tired. I'm tired. Please, I'm losing my mind.
No.
I'm getting so weak. Please, can you just allow me to rest?
No, you cannot. No matter whatever you think you're going through, it is not enough to quit at this point. Alright?
No. I know, please just let me rest.
It's okay.
I'm losing my mind.
No problem. I will let you rest. Alright? But don't hesitate to call me if you need anything. Love you so much.
Mama, you have to do something about Sister Kwamna. With the way she's going, she might enter into depression or even run mad.
My daughter cannot run mad. I did not offend anybody. I did not offend Audrey. So he can never cause any trouble on my daughter. It can never happen. God forbid.
Mama, it's not a matter of God forbid though. It's a matter of making haste while the sun shines.
I know this is not ordinary. It's not just ordinary. Audrey used charm on my daughter. If not, how do we explain this? All she thinks about is Audrey and nothing more. Nothing.
Mama, you just have to do something. See, nobody is using charm on your daughter. Your daughter is just being stupid. She's just being plain stupid. Audrey is not using any charm. Does she look like somebody that they are using charm on? Mama, eat, please. I cannot finish this food. Take small.
I'm not eating.
To be a man, oh. To be a man, I did rock one of felle. Cha cha. To be a man, oh. To be a man, oh. To be a man, I did rock one of felle. Cha cha. To be a man, oh. To be a man, oh. To be a man, I did rock one of felle.
Mommy, are you going out?
Yes, I want to quickly get something.
Let me follow you.
No, just stay back and do your homework.
No, before you come back, Uncle Kanu will kill me.
You will not do anything. I'm coming back now, yeah?
Ma, your food is ready.
Ma, I said your food is ready. Madam, sorry, your food is ready.
Okay, no problem. I'm coming.
Hey, Ma, please, you don't have to get yourself this worked up. Eh? You'll be fine.
When he's getting worse by the day. I'm even afraid he may fall into depression as well.
God forbid.
But that is the truth.
Ma, please don't talk like that. Eh? You're worried too much. It's just a matter of time. He'll be fine. Please. Ma, please follow me so you can take your food. Your food is getting cold, please.
Go ahead and eat. I'll be with you soon, okay?
Hey, Ma, please. The food is getting cold. Please. Please.
No problem, I'm coming.
Ma, I can't leave you here. Please. Please go inside.
Let's go.
Thank you.
Come here. Come and help me open this thing. Raise it for me. If that cloth should tear, you know where Mandilas is? Foolish thing. Okay, calm down small. If you wound me with that zip, okay, raise it up. Small.
Oh, but I'm doing it now. Calm down. I'm doing.
Do you say anything?
No.
Raise it up, small. Small. Just your bra size, your bra length size. That area. Are we there?
Yes.
Are we there?
Yes.
Are we there? Okay. Right. What did you say in your mind now?
Huh?
No, what did you say in your mind now? You just insulted me now, yeah?
Hey, wait now.
You just insulted me in your mind. You insulted me now. You called me big fool.
Hey!
No, when you were fixing this my zip, I felt it spiritually that you were calling me big fool.
Hey, brother, I did not insult you now. Are you inside my mind? Are you raising
your voice? You're raising your voice at me. Walk into this lap now.
Oh, every day walk into slap. I beg.
Before the count of 3, you walk into this lap. 3, 2. Now, gum yourself there. Now, I am going out to take care of things. You understand me? Now, again, I say this. I am going out to take care of things. If I hear that your colleague, your fellow witch, Akwanwa, came into this house, anyway, Gakugo will be your portion. I'm holding your ear now to say it again. I am going out to take care of things. If I hear that your colleague, your fellow witch, Akwanwa, came into this house, anyway, Gakugo will be your portion. Do you understand me? You do your hand like this. No. You just.
I was scratching my back.
Walk into this lap again.
Oh, if I
walk into this lap again.
I'll walk inside this lap.
If she comes to this house, anyway, Gakugo will be your portion.
Going.
Anyway, Gakugo will be your portion. No, if she comes here, I've told you now.
Shushaida.
Frustration adenyaka. Yero wegaka odili. Imakwani fineme. Yero wegaka odili. Irapu sugar choro onugbu agara. Yero wegaka odili. Odili nwokem. Yero wegaka odili. Obiga joka.
Sister, with the way you're going to hurt yourself deeply. See, I've decided to let you do what you want to do. But you're my sister. I can't keep quiet and see yourself hurting yourself every time.
If you know you want to help me, do me a favor.
What is the favor?
Go and help me talk to Odile. Please talk to him for me now.
Sister, why are you doing this to yourself? The person we're even talking about doesn't want you. He doesn't want you. You deserve better. I don't even want to hear that guy's name. What is wrong with you?
You people don't understand. Everything that is going on now is a handwork of the devil. The devil does not want me to be happy. That is what is happening. I wish God can open your eyes so you can see it.
God has opened it though. That is why I'm telling you. God is using me to talk to you now. Sister, he doesn't love you. He doesn't love you. You're a very fine girl now. Who in this village you see here will not want to date you? And you're there forcing yourself on a man that doesn't even want you. He doesn't want you. You deserve better. Every time you're bringing all the list talk.
Frustration adenyaka. Yero wegaka odili. Imakwani fineme. Yero wegaka odili. Irapu sugar choro onugbu agara. Yero wegaka odili. Odili nwokem. Yero wegaka odili. Obiga joka. Odili. Asimo idige nazo. Gibodili. Imadi fineme. Ijikwanya geme. Onye kuzilugi. Gibodili.
Hi, good morning, dear. Sorry, do you stay in this village?
The truth is that I know I don't look like somebody from this village, but my father and my mother, they're from here. But forget that. How can I help you?
Yeah, please, I'm looking for Nze compound. Though he's late, but he has a daughter, Rita.
Nze?
Yes, Nze compound.
Rita?
Yes.
The father died 3 years ago.
Yes.
She has a brother.
Yes, but I can't remember his name. Kano, yes, Kano, yes.
I know the house now. I know the house.
Oh, you do?
Yes, I know the house.
So you stay in this village then?
Like I said, I know I'm not supposed to be from this village, but somehow, my father and my mother, they're from here. But forget about that. I can show you the place.
You can?
Yes,
that's kind. All right.
Eh?
Sure.
I should show you the place?
Yes.
Okay, now. I should enter the car.
Oh, yeah, if you can. Yes. Thank you. You're so kind.
Frustration adenyaka. Yero wegaka odili. Ijide nwamade ti. Yero wegaka odili. Odi kwama. Yero wegaka odili. Akwa makechi kanji ekwu.
Mommy, come and see you. Come and see, Mommy.
Ntie solu ya we darua. ahụbeghị m onye bụ shuga n'ọnụ.
Look at you, just turn around. You're welcome, Trixie. Oh my god. Look at her. Oh, she's so big and beautiful.
Just like my mom.
Trixie. Okay, please come in. Okay. How did they find this difficulty locating this place?
Well, thanks to this gentleman here, so I would have just gone around the entire village, I said. Okay, that reminds me. A second, please. Yeah, I'm sorry.
For what?
No, for your time and the stress.
Huh? I should be the one giving you money now. No. Me? All this skin pain? No. Why?
No, it's fine.
No, I should be the one giving you money. Forget this guy. I should be the one giving you money. But you can give me something.
Just what do you want? Tell me. I don't know if I have it in my car.
You have it. Trust me. Just your number.
Okay. Now 0.
No, you type it for me now. Type it for me. Oh. SS. Slim soft.
Alright.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sir, I brought you some juice.
Drop it on the table.
Okay. And that reminds me. Mommy said I should let you know that she went to the office for some board meeting.
Alright.
Okay. Sir?
Yes. Try so hard to seduce me. You will regret ever coming to this house. I'm not cheap. Okay? Try this with me again. I will call the security man to come and settle.
To be a man, I did rock one of felle. Cha cha. To be a man, to be a man, to be a man, I did rock.
Kalu, my guy! Kalu! My guy, calm down first. Calm down, block road. Now we get road. Calm down. Kalu, my guy!
What is
Kalu!
Why are you so happy like this? Where is your car?
Huh?
Where is your car? Did you buy
car
a car?
coming soon. Car coming soon.
Then why are you so happy?
Hey! Kanu! Hey, my guy. See, if you imagine what I saw today, just guess.
Did you see Holy Spirit?
Huh?
Holy Spirit.
I saw holy human being. Guess first. Nah.
I don't know. Tell me what.
Kanu, my guy, if you see this angel. Oh my God. if you see her smile, it's equal to up NEPA. Ha! Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord.
Which
girl are you talking about? See,
is it Akwanwa?
Oh. Don't, my friend, do you want to walk into slap? What's this now? Who is Akwanwa? Who is Akwanwa? See this girl we're talking about, beauty. African, American, Asian beauty all in one. You see this girl, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh, this girl, the only thing missing from this girl as an angel is wing. You understand? But if you have spiritual eyes, you can see. You understand? I don't know how that girl survived when she fell on this earth, because the girl's fresh, so clean. You understand this girl? And this girl, I saw her in your house. I saw her with Rita. Oh my God, my guy. Can you stick?
Which girl? Could he be her friend Chelsea?
Bam! Chelsea. Hey, Chelsea without the football club. Oh my God. Now my guy. See, you have to do this thing for me.
See, let me tell you.
You say?
Orderly. 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 How many times did I call you?
Normal 3 now.
3 times. See, face your front. Face your front and focus on Akwanwa. The only woman that loves you as if you are somebody, even when you are not, you are a nobody. She loves you and she can lick where you match. Anyone see, she will lick it.
You are very stupid.
Stay away from Chelsea. You see that girl? Chelsea is not your class.
What rubbish are you saying?
Leave that girl alone.
What rubbish are you saying?
Focus on Akwanwa that loves you.
Nah, I beg, stop this nonsense talk. What kind of dirty talk is that one? What kind of gutter talk is that now? What kind of stupid talk is that one?
If Chelsea is in university, you do primary 3.
What do you mean by that?
She's not your level.
What do you mean? Keep quiet. Don't say what you don't know.
Okay.
Can't you see? Can't you see? Even blind can see. Deaf can hear what's up.
Okay.
Deaf can hear what's up. Blind can see what's up. Me and her same color to match, nose to match. You understand? Mouth to match. You understand? So our life has to be to match. The only thing you have to do for me now is just to woo that girl. You have to connect me and that girl, because that girl, me and that girl are the same class.
I know what I'm telling you.
What are you saying?
America. Don't let this cap you are taking at the back deceive you. Fine boy in this village. Fine boy in the village. That girl came from the city.
So it's me this boy want to care? Can you imagine? Something big men will agree to pay for. This boy want to use me and play. If not because of his mother that I'm beating now, what will I use this boy and do? Chopper. Does it mean I'm not beautiful? No, the problem cannot be me. That your sickness is blinding you.
That is what I'm trying to tell you. That's the kind of girls I should be moving with.
If this is what you want to tell me, please. See, please, since you don't have anything to tell me, I'm going. Jane is waiting for me, please.
Jane, come here.
What is it?
What is not it? I wonder why are you even my friend?
Hi.
No, why are you even my friend? No. If you don't walk into my slap, I think you should walk into God's slap.
So what do you
want
me
you
to
get
do?
sense?
What do you want me to do? Talk it.
Confess.
Talk it.
Confess.
Talk it. I'm busy.
See, you know that girl is my kind of girl. You understand? I mean, a girl that spoke French. You understand? A girl that called me, no, monsieur, mon chéri, mon ami. You understand me? That guy has lived in France before, That is my girl. And besides
because she said mon ami.
My friend, I know you are stupid.
That
Calm
girl
down,
is
let me tell you
not your
something.
class.
Calm down, let me tell you something. What's wrong? What's your problem? What's your problem?
Talk.
Every time your life is all about Jane.
Fast, I'm going to see Jane.
Jane what? What's your problem? How can you be allowing a woman to control you at this age?
Control is control. Leave her is my life. Yes. Let me my girlfriend my way. You and I are under control. Yes. You just say a girl today and she's controlling you. Look at what you're saying. A girl, you don't even know her name. You just managed to know her name. She's controlling you. It's obvious that she's controlling you with DVD remote. Why my own girl is controlling me with TV remote? We are under a spell.
No, you are under
It depends on who is inside glass bottle and plastic bottle.
You are inside plastic bottle. You are inside plastic bottle. Me, I'm inside gold bottle with her. And me and her will live inside the bottle. But you're the only person inside your own bottle. Guy, see, you have to help me get this girl. You have to help me get this girl. You are my guy.
I'm going.
You are my guy.
I cannot help you get anybody.
You can't help me.
As it is now. Let me go and satisfy Jane first.
See, the problem I have with you is this, The problem I have with you is this. When responsible keke men are taking their wives in the morning to the market or taking their children to school, making money, all you're doing is moving around for Jane. Listen, you have to get this girl for me. You're my guy.
No problem.
You have no choice.
This is my
You must do it.
This is my
You must do it.
Let me use it to carry the one that is important. All those people you see that are carrying children to school, it's children that is important to them. What is important to me is Jane. Jane, my love. Let me go and carry her. You stay here, fantasizing on a girl.
See, you get that girl for me. You're my guy.
You're in class 3. That girl is university.
Leave this thing you're saying. Like you get that girl for me. You're very stupid. You must get that girl for me, my guy. Kanu, you must get this girl for me. You must get this girl for me. See, you're my guy. You have no choice but to get this girl for me. You understand? You have no choice. You have no choice but to get this girl for me. You're my guy. You're my guy. Leave all this thing you're doing. Leave all this thing you're doing. You must get this girl for me.
Inside the house, so I think she has gone back to that stupid boy's house.
Are you sure? Because I saw her at the back of the house after taking her bath.
Mama, she's not there. She has gone back to Odele's house.
You know what? I think I will take this matter to our family members.
You have to.
How can you go? It's not what I can handle anymore. I'm coming.
Come back fast, too.
I'll be back. Look after the house. I'm coming.
My dear, I know the country is very hard. Trust me, I know. But talk to me. How are you? How are you coping with your daughter?
See us now. Suffering and smiling. But we are fine, Sha.
Auntie Chelsea, we are not fine. Everything is not okay. My mom is just pretending. We are starving.
No, go inside.
Come
on, go inside.
I'm not a stranger. Family now. Let her eat.
Don't mind my mom. We are suffering. We are suffering.
Amoma.
Chelsea.
Hey, brother.
You are welcome.
Brother. It's not Chelsea.
Listen, let me tell you. I was not able to carry passengers today, so I'm angry. I'm not in the mood for your nonsense. If you talk nonsense now, I will throw you back to Onyemochi's compound. What is wrong with you? Rita, warn your daughter. I'm not. Chelsea, don't worry.
Brother, it's not Chelsea. It's Chelsea. You shape your mouth. Chelsea. Chelsea.
You shape your mouth. You shape your mouth. You shape your mouth. You are not correcting me. Look at you, toddler. You are not correcting me. How to spell Chelsea? You shape your mouth. Chelsea. Eh? You will tell me how many football clubs you have.
Mama! Can you leave my daughter? Mama! Can you leave my daughter?
I'll kill you. Okay, this is what you are used to tell me welcome. Alright. I don't put my passenger you will come out. You don't come out now, sell this car. Nonsense.
I was waiting for you to return. How was your day?
Wait.
How was your day? You just waiting for you to get back so I can prepare something for you at least.
You two, how is your life? You're waiting for who? Wait. So you still came here? After I told you not to come to this house again? What is wrong with you now?
It has to tell you how much my heart wants you. Odili, please, if there's anything I have done to you, please, forgive me. Odili, please.
See, please too, I'm kneeling down for you. If there's anything I've done to you, please forgive me. Leave me alone now. Leave me alone, I don't want now. Leave me alone, what is all this now? What's all this now? Leave me alone now. What's all this now? What's all this now?
Odili, if it is just tiny love in return that you give to me, it is okay. Odili, it's not fair. It's not fair. It's not fair, really.
See, I'll kneel down again. See, I don't have love for you. I have no love for you. I don't have love to waste on you. I don't have love for you. You understand me? I don't have a pint of love, a drop of love, half of a drop, a quarter of a drop. I don't have for you. You too, you're making my heart bleed. What's all this? Because I'm kneeling down. What's this now?
Odili, please now.
Please go. Please go now. Go. See. Go now. What's all this now? I'm not in the mood to tell you to walk into slap now. Just leave my house now.
Just be here waiting for you to ask you how you did. Oh, it's fine. Let me go.
Leave my house. Leave. Go. Go away. Go. What's it now? Somebody has gone to see fine girl. Sunlight. You carry your village thunder to come and destroy my day. How? Chelsea. Oh God. Oh, Chelsea. Obi, my Chelsea. How? You now see one red pole. That's one abacha. You understand? Then from there you make right, straight down Kano's compound.
Okay, so you make left.
Hey, you see what is doing me and you now? This is left. This is left, my dear. This is left.
You go stop it.
Once you go
you
left
go straight, now. You take left.
Yes.
And then you see
one
abacha.
I
like
from
the
there.
way you see one abacha.
I like the way you swell at the one abacha too. Oh God.
You're so funny.
I'm happy I'm funny to you. Please, find your way.
Stop it.
Please, be very careful in this our village. Oh. Everybody's not like me. Oh. Please wind up too. Okay. All right. Take care. All right. Wind up. Oh. Okay. Oh, sweet girl. How? Sweet girl. How? Sweet girl. Hold on. Hey.